You see, I'm going to move this lumber today. Start loading. Huh? Listen! What is that noise? Oh, it's an elephant! Turn off Excavator quickly! Don't scare the elephant! Whew, the elephant is gone at last. Did you hear that? What's the noise this time? Oh no! It's a tiger! Shh! We can't let the tiger find us. Ah! Tiger, get out of here! The tiger is gone at last. You see, the lumber is loaded into the carriage and ready to go. A flying dragon landed on the mound. Hopefully, I got back fast, or I would have been on fire. Transporter, get out of the way! Well, we need to find a way to get rid of the flying dragon. Oh, look! The bucket is on fire! Thanks for transporters putting out the fire. The flying dragon is too scary to confront it. What else can be done to get rid of the dragon? Huh? There are so many stones on the ground. Yeah! I hit the dragon! Look, there's a big pile of wood. Lumber truck, I need you to help me transport them. Now, load the wood into the carriage. I also drive Excavator to help. The carriage is full. It's ready to transport the lumber. Oh, it's not good. Lumber truck overturned. I need to clear away the stray wood first. Now pull lumber truck up. Oh, by the way, I have to move the rocks out of the way. Let's put the lumber back in the carriage. We're gonna need some strapping tape to secure it. Oh no! Transporter got stuck in the mud. I have to save it. I'll see if I can push transporter out. Still no, we have to think of other solutions. Here are some rocks. There's a way. We can put up some rocks. Transporter, you're feeling up now and moving forward. Oh, Transporter can't get out on its own. I'll go and give it a tug. Yeah, look, Transporter is safe. The fruit tree is unloaded. Let's plant it. Well, the first fruit tree is planted. Oh, look! All the fruit trees are planted. My job is done. Into a pit of dirt. Oh, I'm stuck in here. Hello? I need the rescue of Excavator. Okay, I'll on my way now. Guys, see how deep UTV is stuck. Now, the car is too heavy. Let the animals off first. UTV. What about the pit left there? Bulldozer, give me a hand here. After my unremitting efforts, the pit was finally filled. The next step is to press down the soil. You see, I repaired the road. Start digging! The carriage is full and ready to go. Somebody help me! Don't worry, we're here to save you! We have to lift Excavator before we can save people. Rescue's done. We need to get back to the hospital. The animals are being transported to the farm today. The animals are all loaded. Let's go! Drive carefully. Yikes! Yikes! Help! Help! Huh? Someone yelled for help. I have to take a look. Take the injured back to hospital for treatment. Huh? Why did the UTV flip over? I'll drive down and have a look. Right, UTV first. Oh no! UTV is broken! Transporter, get over here and help! Now load UTV onto carriage. Here we go, transporter. Take it to the repair factory. I'm gonna follow too. let's unload UTV. The repair is done! Can we see if we can start? Start on success! Ready to get to work. Transporter, get over here and load the dirt. The transporter's here. I'm loading it with dirt. Oh, this bucket of dirt spilled out. All right, the carriage is full and ready to go. Transporter overturned. I have to save it. Wow, there's dirt all over the floor. We have to clean it up first. Now try it. Can you turn it over? Still no. There's too much dirt. Go ahead and clean up the dirt. All right, now let's try it again. Finally righted transporter. I have to get back to work.